Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Oh, I can't hear you. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Okay. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Here I am going to tell you about the formation of letter T. Which letter we are going to do? T. So there are 4 lines: top line, middle line, base line and bottom line. So we will start writing T from the top line. Now we have to draw a sleeping line on the top line. Stop. Now come in the center of the sleeping line. Down, 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 down. Stop on the base line. Which letter is this? T. T says T. T says T. T as in tiger. T as in tiger. Again we have to draw a sleeping line on the top line. Draw a standing line from top line down, 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 down. Stop on the base line. T. T says T. T says T. T as in telephone. T as in telephone. Draw a sleeping line on the top line. Come to the center of the sleeping line and draw a standing line. Down, 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 down. Stop on the base line. T. T says T. T says T. T as in tree. T as in tree. Draw a sleeping line on the top line till base. T. T says T. T says T. T as in teeth. T as in teeth. Draw a sleeping line on the top line. Come to the center of the line. Draw a standing line from top down, down, down. We'll stop on the base line. T. T says T. T says T. T as in toy. T as in toy. Draw a sleeping line on the top line. Down, 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 down. Stop on the base line. T says T. T says T. T as in train. T as in train. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly. Don't look here and there until you complete your work. Now dear student, come to page number 6868. Which page we are going to do? 6868. Now we are going to do an enjoyable activity. We all enjoy coloring now. So today we are going to color those trees which are marked with letter T. There are so many trees here. So we will color only those trees which are marked with letter T. So can you see one tree marked with letter T? Yes, this is letter T. So we will color this tree. And what is the color of the tree? Green. So we will be coloring this tree green. Now you have to sit properly. Take out your green crayon Now are you ready? Now watch me carefully. We should do coloring nicely. It should not go out of the boundary line. And white waste should not be visible. Now am I doing my coloring perfectly? Yes, now. So you have to do it like me only. Now I have completed my tree. Now it's your time to complete your tree. Do it nicely. It should look beautiful. Done. Now again we have to spot out the tree marked with letter T. Is this tree T? No. So we won't color it. Is this T? Yes. So we will color this tree. Now color your tree properly and nicely. Our page should look beautiful. We should not go out of the boundary line. We should color in circle. The white waste should not be visible. And we should not cover the letter T with the color. Now, can we spot out more tree with letter T? Any trees left with letter T? No. Now we are going to do the next activity. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes. Now we are going to do the next activity. We have letters from A to Z. Now we have to spot out letter T in these letters. Now where is T? Is this T? No. 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 Is this tree? Yes. Now we have to do a circle around it. Now we have to circle the letter T. All of you have done? Okay. Now we will say our ABC. Say with me. Say loudly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now we have done with our ABC also. Now we have said ABC till Z. Now is it clear to you? Now all of you enjoyed this class? All of you have enjoyed this activity? Say yes ma'am. How's the Josh? It's high. Say hi ma'am. Very good. Now dear students, proceed to page number 69. Which page number we are going to do? 69. Now tell me which letter is this? Yes, this is T. T says T. T says T. T as in tomato. T as in tomato. So first of all, I am going to tell you the formation of letter T. We will repeat the same letter for more practice. Now watch me carefully. We have to draw a sleeping line on the top line from left to right. Stop. Now come to the center of the sleeping line. We will put in on the top line. Now down, 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 down till base line. Now stop. This is letter T. T says T. T says T. T as in tomato. Now watch me carefully how I am writing my T. Then it will be your turn to write letter T. Draw a sleeping line on the top of the line till bottom. T. T says T. T says T. T as in tomato. T as in tomato. Now it's your time. Write nicely. Done. Again I am writing. Draw a sleeping line. Come to the center of the sleeping line and draw a standing line till base line. T says T. T as in tomato. Now it's your turn. Write properly. You should draw the standing line and sleeping line straight. Now again, it's my turn. Draw a sleeping line. Come to the center of the line and draw a standing line till base line. T. T says T. T as in tomato. Red tomatoes. Now I have completed my first row. Now it's your time to write letter T. Done? Very good. Watch me carefully again. Now I am writing my T. Sleeping line, standing line. It's so simple to write letter T. Yes, na? Say yes, ma'am, loudly. Draw a sleeping line and standing line from the center of the sleeping line. T. T says T. T as in tomato. T as in tomato. T. T says T. T says T. T as in tomato. Draw a sleeping line on the top of the line. Now draw a standing line from the center of the sleeping line. T. T says T. T as in tomato. Now I am done with my second row. It's your time to complete your second row. Done? Well done. Now again my turn to write letter T. Draw a sleeping line on the top line and standing line from the center of the sleeping line. T. T says T as in tomato. Again we have to draw a sleeping line. Put your pencil on the center of the sleeping line. Draw a standing line. Draw a sleeping line and a standing line from the center. T. T says T as in tomato. Now you have to complete your row. Yes. Excellent. Now again I am writing sleeping line on the top line. From the center of the sleeping line, draw a standing line. T. T says T as in tomato. T as in tomato. Sleeping line on the top line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. T. T says T as in tomato. Now it's your turn to write letter T. You should draw a sleeping line, then a standing line. Have you all done? Very good.